As companies reopen and hire more people, do you know that there are various job opportunities for Filipino accountants and finance professionals?
Whether you are a graduate of financial management or accountancy course, a CPA or non-CPA, there are jobs available for you for both local and multinational companies.
All you need to do is spice up your CV so HR recruiters and headhunters will notice you.
Hi, I am Aaron Ricaprente.
And I'm Nalin Castillo.
We are recruitment headhunters from Asia Select. Today, we'll talk about what information you need to include
and the skills you need to highlight when you create or update your CV.
Both BPO and shared services company are looking for finance and accounting professionals nowadays. If you're interested in working in a BPO or shared services company, here's what you need. For technical skills, it is best if you are equipped with basic Excel skills. Basic knowledge with VLOOKUP and pivot table is a big plus. You must be knowledgeable in general accounting and IFRS. You must be attentive to details and you must be able to analyze data. You should also know how to utilize SAP, Oracle, Blackline, or any other accounting software tools. As for the soft skills, you must be able to communicate data to the point that when you explain to a group of people, you can be easily understood. If you are an experienced accountant or finance professional, you will encounter challenges that will require you to level up your skills. These skills include your ability to be excellent in problem solving, collaborator, and communicator. Your presentation skills need to level up too, because you will be delivering analysis and reports to upper management team. You must also develop your collaboration skills because you will be working with cross-functional teams. Aside from this, it's also better to work on your project management skills and foster relationships with your clients and stakeholders that you are working with. While most local companies prefer CPAs, for international firms, they would highly prefer those with CMA or Certified Management Accountant certification.
Auditing firms in the Philippines provide real-world experiences to accounting professionals because of the various clients they are handling. Professionals who are always open to new challenges in a fast-paced environment are the ones who strive in this setup. Accountants pertain to both CPAs and non-CPAs. Most of the time, local auditing companies require certified public accountants or CPAs because these accountants would need to use their licensure to issue reports such as financial statement audits and reviews. To the professionals who are interested in auditing business, here's what you need. For hard or technical skills, you need to have not just an understanding but also apply the principles of general accounting. Whether during your OJT, your freelance work, or your first accounting job. You must know how to use Excel, especially VLOOKUP and pivot table, and be able to navigate accounting software such as SAP, Oracle, and QuickBooks. You must have knowledge on IFRS and General Accepted Accounting Principles or GAAP. For the soft or people skills, enhancing your communication skills both in oral and written will help you grow in your role as you collaborate with various stakeholders, most especially your clients. Always be reminded that as a rule of thumb, if you want to advance in your career or get promoted, open yourself to new learnings and challenges. Communication and collaboration with different teams are also ways to level up your soft skills.
Number 1. Highlight your certifications and the various accounting or financial software you have been exposed to or have knowledge on using.
Number 2. Always indicate your employer history. For fresh graduates, include your OJT experience. That includes the duration and the task you have to undertake. For experienced professionals, you need to include the month and year of your past employment and your achievements. You can also include your freelance work related to your career so that recruiters would know how experienced you are in your field of expertise.
Number 3. Update the list of seminars or trainings you have attended. Keep those that is related to the job role and should be within from current up to the last 3 years.
Number 4, include your key responsibilities for every job, position, and employer you have been with.
We hope that you will be able to apply this advice when you create or update your CV. Don't forget, we have a list of job insights for you via our articles page on www.asiaselect.ph.
If you are ready to take on your new next role, we'll help you go through the recruitment process and bring you closer to your career.